say mood in the ma fi daddy listening na obetu won yodo mami as it be today it's na kama na bia hu da wufu o down let's go mami bon fe ya na mi tofu o kakra ho no na bekona fu na waza mo no mami unso friend na nyembe bi o keke ka ho wa say raze would chede would anya careful kwa woman we ye ni na say into no yerebo fu o ho da wuriza no hia pa de Puma energy fo wa baka hen sa wa hade na wa cheche hen nyoma wo na so ye honom na ne pay mu Mr. Emmanuel Okran ya Puma energy Ghana for one retail manager the maranso na Josephine Amuzu or retail programs manager na so wa hade na pay onye here about twetwe nkomo momo hon good morning akwa baba bedwema do okay into no what thing there ye be the Puma energy honkomo about products Puna wo
okay you be starting here
bobo mama and pay bobo mama we di sala
wona wo share Adom TV anope nyina Rebecca good morning Puma energy sida American no a fuel company Ghana Rebecca no OMC oil marketing company Puma energy fuel company a bisa product we have mamukano your fuel which is petrol wodugu car mu your diesel also wodugu car mu your kero and your sans lubricants or oil wodugu car na Puma energy Ghana so enejuma no oka efa you mission ejuma no so we work on aviation also your aviation business you mission akasa obagana nyina Puma energy yama one fuel ofeno aviation fuel wodugu aeroplanes ni mu wodugo bi wodugo bia
okay matters into no na ye hwenda no how many stations na wo Ghana hadi
okay so stations here wo Ghana obo 60 minimum panti ana achieve wo kan obo 60 stations nya so ye wo 11 regions therefore Ghana 16 regions na Puma energy wo 11 ranges Ghana
okay no chada wa pete papa efe baby bi share Puma energy wo honom na so no kasa fa aviation fu ho mama Josephine so akonya no kasa aviation fu na what no kan ho asem kakra chen
okay inti aviation business no very significant here in Ghana were more than 60% market share into what it means is that airlines are what Ghana no we serve most of them and in terms of filtration systems there were over 6 filtration systems are products equal to detect any discrepancy to ensure say products are airlines of high quality. There were over 25 million capacity terminal Ghana. So in terms of aviation, your business very, very significant Ghana.
Wow.
Yes.
Now, kasa no make the can products which am no the lubricants so the one car lubricants no so no wasam ka
okay. Yeah, lubricants no of high quality. There were mineral oils lubricants, there were synthetic lubricants. Now, so about the lubricants, they say you see my cars it improves the engine performance. Inti say if you are drive if you acquire ni Kumasi 2 times I'll be change your oil now. Your oil no provides a longer drainage interval, a bow engine no homoding, a cleaning dirt every engine nimo. Inti we have various testimonials from Nkrofo using your lubricants. So we have a very, very strong lubricants business. So Ghana has say and your lubricants all our retail stations. So we call your retail stations ubenya your lubricants ni bia e bia wo pe bia for your car ubenya o buy your often so now open in bulk nso so e betimi provide amal e betimi provide in bulk for you as well.
Let us say obi pe bi mpo na or aka start business crown or business be the dog or lubricants and or pay Puma energy for lubricants cry. I quenya the whole bottom when you be
exactly.
Papa. No, ya can't no, my share or social responsibility be as a way we're gonna hadiana.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start with if a Puma energy, will probably be tagline. And tagline here, energizing communities. Into marker energizing communities in it. Just about your
about your dame
or the social corporate social responsibility.
Yes, into internally no ye war initiative I no Puma make a difference day. Start day no a day ye do what's the word? Into we identify. Sorry, Mitrino.
Okay.
Yeah, we identify orphanages and homes, specially directed towards in Kola or more special needs. So special needs children. Support you more. We donate food stuff. We donate educational material. And we just provide a supporting environment for these children. Yeah, also as part of preserving the environment, and so we've taken another step to encourage transporters into more kind, buses, transport vehicles, the full eco stations, you educate you more. At the end of the year, be a friend of transporters quiz. Gauge your level of understanding on the business. Just to prevent spills and road traffic accidents. Into obia in Kofana more perform a year, reward you more in cash and in kind and all of that.
Wow.
Yeah, so those are.
Into or you're open to obia ochu shana another or to the one person was select the driver see another. Obi pedo or beshimbi or botum wa beshimbi. Okay, into way targeted to transporters now or more Puma system nim.
Okay. Exactly.
No, chado here pa de say mpono ichusha na baba Puma energy busuya no ho because shemu bia. Bibia nyina worry bia obotum wa kan.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Mo pon no cho. Fu was the odos papa na so no yehu instances obi akotofu ona ebe we no na car no mpontumuntu ekodo baby car na kaka okwem na ade into no what is special pa for one fu on ho a bobaka de no matter what gets Puma energy fuel
enti dem ye kan no you best start with aviation fuel dem ye kan no for emission nam ewuma sometimes 8 hours enti processor yedi emission fuel no go through to check water, to check sediments, you check impurities. Bibia or to affect plane or of course plane na ne fuel problem one
asamaba.
Exactly.
Inti them quality process na checks na you go through to provide quality aviation fuel. Them process na you from for fuel you do Korean fuel stations. Inti motuma guarantee customers nyina there. I had to fuel Puma energy because it took me a schedule to a car no be as na although it to maintain the car.
Yes.
And there's only Puma energy fuel no to maintain the car no.
But when I say papa wo last words be open over kana.
Okay, last words mama kind and why a holiday you know Muslims be obia ye chia hon. Ejumi bia wo ye bia ekon bia opede to work be bia won Puma energy. Ekọ service level no also. Nyade from gotin airto. Do nyi be ka bi dey delight the customer. Nteba even though I bet there about to fuel no. Service yedwa ma no obama wa kuma to yem. Ntide bia about juni fuel no na chere Puma energy no dey.
But so na wa kan you. Wo na be obo to go na.
So as you buy a fuel so no na what kind of lubricants, a lubricants, a very quality. It's also bottled gas at your stations. I will call what bit me exchange. Would do cylinder, empty cylinder, call exchange with a filled cylinder.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Oh
yes.
okay.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Into what for one number no into the na you sorry.
Okay. Into okoye station nini na ye wo poster be wo ho. All you need to do is to scan.
Okay.
O scan here, you can go to our website to make all inquiries. We also have a toll-free number, a WhatsApp poster, so I will free ubetimi any of us yet has it.
Martin, you know, no was a man and Mr. Emmanuel Okran and Josephine Amuzu, na me hona chunko mo me hona sapa and here what because I want to say pe fu papa paza no Puma energy was the bra when I saw ye ho na obenya ambi amo papa on kama woka no problems bi ampo no aviation for na zingina bia sorted lubricant na zingina wo honom meze nkomo twetwe no meze besi hade preska and e wa woda padi bo twese the young wish happy birthday o kwon so nkodo wen fa mo happy birthday to you obi rose na would be anso is no fancy door president for the brothers and sisters association CCRZ Macron ya me adoma yebesan na yeshia